Well, as anybody that's developed a software product and brought it to market knows, it is a journey and it takes a lot of people and a very diverse set of skills in the team. So it's just been a labor of love for us over the last 2 years to do this. So it means everything to us to kind of have this award kind of culminate success that we've been building up to from a product development standpoint. So Flexware is a technology company that primarily develops software for the manufacturing industry, and specifically the product that we have won an award for is a product we call Lift, which is a software platform that connects autonomous robots with other systems within a manufacturing facility. And the whole goal here is to be able to enable companies to realize the dream of autonomous material movement within the four walls of their facility. So Lift helps enable that dream to come to fruition. Well, I just love the tech scene around Indy because we were told a lot as we went through school, engineering schools, that you got to go to one of the coasts if you want to really truly be in the mix from a tech standpoint. I love the fact that we have such a vibrant scene here in Indiana, and we're able to attract and retain some of this talent that comes out of the schools of Indiana and really compete with the big boys that are on each of the coasts and really develop world-changing best-of-breed software and other products. For us, as far as this Lift product goes, we've brought it to market now, so now it's time to scale. So we really want to focus on the selling part of it. We've got the product built, and now we want to scale and really be able to partner with large organizations that are trying to move more towards unattended operations and autonomous material movement. So that's part of our strategy, and also part of our strategy is to now to ideate and figure out what is the next product, what is the next big problem to solve, and to go attack that one.